Yes, you read that right. Images in Excel through formulas. All you need is a source URL. Let's head over and grab one quickly. I right click, copy link address, and this will not work. I have to put this in inverted commas. You'll see why. It says value because this is not a image URL. If you read this, it does not end in JPG or something. This is a bad URL. Okay, so what you do is you open this image up wherever it is. Once it opens up, you right click, you say open image in new tab, and that's where you can see this URL. It ends in a extension which is for images. Okay, if you're sure that this is what it opens to, that is when you can copy image address. Do you see this difference? Earlier it was a link address, now it's an image address. As long as it's an image address, that means it ends in .jpg or png or gif or something. That is when we can copy this as it is either from here or from here and replace it. So again, it has to be in inverted commas. As soon as I press enter, you'll see a little teeny tiny image come up. If I increase the row height, it'll get more space to fill. The other arguments are pretty simple. If you see, there's 3-4 more. The most important though is the alt text, right? You have to put some sort of text description that's really good for accessibility. And you have a few different options for cell size. Do you want to fit it inside the cell? Do you want to completely fill the cell with the image? Do you want the original size or some other size? If you use 3, then you can use height and width in pixels to set a custom height. So let's say I want 100 with, there you go, 100 by 100. That's all, folks.